Menteri Berdikmi ketanat PHC ke Sarkar Jela Warnington Lindo Tongkar lo ai ke jingkular ba ketanat kenele ban penting na gi pai ki badai ban pyndonkam hagi projek sam lengba ka jal jivan mission kinde ki standard quality ya kan ye lo juba lo kamat bagi pai bala pyndonkam hagi projek ka JJM kidei ki ba biang bha bala ra du nong thawan ko all India Trinamool Congress na roi ba George B Lindo lengba ka call attention motion ha ka dorban mang tengka ka yeng do ba thawan ka jalla ka south regular arjar arwar Menteri lo ong ba marsin yami kubor bagi pai kimbiang ketenan kalasium yak jam man penting na bakin long kibabiang ulu ong bala thong ka kun toket bala khli da additional deputy commissioner ka Riboy district halor ka ni ka jingkynnoh pyndonkam da ki pai kiba hap setia.
The other day, the Honourable Minister had also informed that the usage of whether it is a GI pipe or whether it is PVC pipe, it is based on the technical guidance of the engineers. But sir, now what we are seeing in the field is that even though in the name of GI pipes, sir, the quality of the pipes that have actually been utilized is that of a PVC quality, sir. Sir, even though GI pipe, but then PVC quality. Sir, the pipe quality has been poor, sir, and they have not been withdrawn from being circulated and implemented in the projects. Now, sir, another thing that is happening on the ground is that as the supplier had supplied poor quality pipes, now what we are seeing is that the supplier is also being paid at a higher cost, higher than the rates that have been approved as per the schedule, sir. So we have a situation in the ground, sir, now where the supplier, in spite of having given poor quality pipes, he is also being paid a higher cost. That is what is happening in the ground, sir. So in spite of many officers objecting to this, but then nothing was done, sir. And even though many people have gone and complained, but then nothing was done. Sir, this is not done, sir. I think this is not accepted. When poor quality pipes are being paid with costs that is beyond the schedule of rates, sir, how the department can go ahead with its implementation of such schemes, sir?
First of all, I would like to inform this Accounts House that the government had provisioned for mandatory third-party inspection before delivery of pipes, and no payment is made without third-party inspection certificate. Over and above this provision, there are standing instructions from the government to all divisions under the department that only the approved quality of pipe is accepted, and there should be no compromise on the quality of the materials. As regarding the subject news item, an inquiry was ordered immediately, which was conducted by the Additional Deputy Commissioner, Riboy District, to investigate the allegation of supply of substandard quality of GI pipes under JJM. In the course of the inquiry, it was revealed that the pipes that were supplied were not of the approved specifications, and the manufacturer was directed for immediate replacement of the defective pipes, which have since been replaced by the manufacturer. The findings of the inquiry officers are as follows. One, the complainant has complained on weight of GI pipe and not on other specifications. The representatives of the manufacturer, Jindal India Limited, has admitted that being a big company and manufacturing huge quantity of GI pipe of same dia and single size, the chance of mixing coil is possible due to human error. 3. The representative of third-party inspection agency, Dr. Amin Controllers Private Limited, stated that the TPI conduct inspection at the manufacturing unit and would carry out tests on 50 numbers of samples for each case as offered by the manufacturing firm. 4. The PHE department, Shillong, has received complaints from few divisions on the quality of the GI pipes and hence had directed replacement of the defective pipes from the manufacturing company. No payment is released to the manufacturer if quality issues are noticed in the consignment. My department accords highest priority to maintaining the quality and standards in the procurement of GI pipe from reputed manufacturers, and accordingly there are instructions to this effect that only pipes of approved specifications are to be accepted. This instruction has been reiterated multiple times to all divisions. However, in course of supply, a supply of huge quantity is taking place in all divisions, there might be possibility of some division receiving low quality of GI pipe, which might have occurred in one or two isolated cases despite our sincere effort. I assured honorable members of the House that I and my department share their valid concern for use of standard quality of pipes in the implementation of all water supply schemes in the state, including schemes under JJM, and are making all efforts to ensure the same. Once again, I thank the honorable members, Sri George Bilangdo, MLA of Umroy constituency, for raising these important issues. Sir, on the point again raised by the honorable members from Umroy, I once again would like to appreciate his concern on this issue, sir. And we are all equally concerned, and we have addressed also. So all the pipes has been recalled and ordered for the replacement. And about the lifespan of the scheme, as stated by the honorable member, the department, we have not compromised on the lifespan of the scheme, sir. And since we have ordered replacement of the pipe, so the compromise on the lifespan of the scheme will not be there. And on the point that he said that GI pipe, it's in PVC quality, this is highly technical, which is very difficult for me to reply on this point. I cannot understand that the GI pipe, which is steel, can be as a plastic quality, and it's confusing also because plastic, we are saying on that day that plastic gives more lifespan to the more lifespan than the GI pipe. And the point that he raised that supplier has been paid at the higher cost for the compromised quality, so this is not there. We have not paid. We have ordered that all those inferior quality pipe to be replaced. Then the payment will be released. Otherwise, we will not make the payment on those inferior quality pipe that has been supplied. That's why order has been given to the supplier to replace. And this has been given the instruction to all the divisions also that if they find any inferior quality of pipe supply, they should bring to the notice of the chief engineer, and we will ask the chief engineer will ask the supplier to replace all the pipe. Till then, no payment will be released. About the deduction that the department has done from the contractor's bill, so this has been done according to the agreement signed between the department and the contractors. So nothing more than that. It has been done because the cost of pipe has been included in the scheme itself. That's why whatever the cost of pipes incurred, it has to be deducted from the scheme only. So as of now, that is the practice, sir, because it has been signed and it has been executed according to the agreement signed by the department and the contractor. So with this point that I have replied, I hope I have been able to satisfy the honorable members.